Post and handrail construction is key for a successful and long-lasting cable railing system. So in today's video, we're going to go over some of the best practices for post and handrail construction for cable railing. First, let's talk about the importance of building a strong post and handrail structure for your cable railing system. Your wood and metal post handrail structure must be strong enough to support the load and tension from the cables, since it's the foundation to a long-lasting cable railing system. The degree to which your cable railing system will function and perform properly is dependent on how well your post and handrail structure is built. Since the termination post and top rail in your system will be receiving the majority of the tension from the cables in your system, it's crucial to ensure that the connection between the two is rock solid. If possible, we recommend installing 2x4 bracing directly beneath your top rail that spans between the tops of your post. Doing so will aid in distributing the load from the tension of your cables across the run and also give support to your top rail. Next, let's talk about proper post spacing. If you've watched any of our other videos such as cable rail basics or cable railing FAQs, then you're going to be familiar with the concepts of post spacing. National Building Code states that your post can be spaced no more than 4 feet on center. At HAAS Stainless, we recommend abiding by this code if possible. However, if you're not required to abide by this code, the furthest that we recommend spacing your post is no more than 6 feet on center. The reason behind this requirement has to do with cable deflection. The closer your posts are spaced to one another, the less ability the cable has to be spread apart, which is key in creating a rigid balustrade. A closer post spacing also will reduce the amount of tension that you'll need to apply to the cables in your system, and in turn will reduce the amount of load being exerted on your termination post, maximizing safety and minimizing damage. Also, it's not uncommon for wood top rails to bow downwards over time as they age, so more intermediate post means more support for the top rails as well. So one of the questions we're frequently asked is, what type and size of post should I be using for my cable railing system? As far as wood posts are concerned, 4x4s and 6x6 size posts in either pressure treated pine, oak, ipe, Douglas fir, or cedar are excellent posts for installing cable railing into. Keep in mind though that the softer the wood, the less strength and securement the post will provide when installing your cable railing system. When sourcing your post, we recommend avoiding big box stores and instead source your post from a local lumber provider where you likely can find stronger and more durable posts. For metal post systems, typically 2x2 powder coated aluminum, steel, or stainless steel posts are used when installing a cable railing system. Just like wood post systems, the termination post in your metal post cable railing system will be receiving much of the tension from your cables. So it's never a bad idea to use a heavier gauge wall thickness for your metal termination post. If you need any help planning out or ordering your HAAS stainless cable railing system, then head over to our website to set up a complimentary cable railing consultation. If you have any questions regarding post and handrail construction for your cable railing system, then be sure to drop us a comment below. And if you found today's video helpful, then don't forget to give it a like. I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless. Thanks for watching.